Welcome back. Today we are going to make healthy paleo cookies. Come on, let me show you the ingredients. 2 cups almond flour, 1/3 cup maple syrup, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of baking powder. Let's mix the ingredients. Once you are done mixing the dough, make 16 cookies and place them on a tray and bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. Looks like the cookies are ready. Let's try them out. Thank you guys for watching. Please come back for more healthy recipes. Bye.